I'm here to present on our phase 1 trial using autologous mesenchymal stem cells that have been differentiated into neural progenitors as a treatment to induce repair and reverse disability in patients with multiple sclerosis. As you know, MS is a disease that is associated with disability in the majority of patients over time, particularly patients with secondary progressive and primary progressive disease. And these patients lose motor function, bladder function, and cognition dysfunction, and there are no treatments available at present. So at the Tisch MS Research Center in New York, we have been exploring the use of stem cells that we take from the patient's own bone marrow, called autologous, and differentiate these cells into mesenchymal stem cells and then into neural progenitors. And in an FDA-approved phase 1 trial, what we're going to report at the Academy is the results of the first 15 patients we have treated. We are going to eventually treat 20 patients by the end of this year. And of the first 15 patients, we gave these treatments of these stem cells using the spinal route. So we gave spinal taps to these patients and injected them intrathecally every 3 months and gave a total dose of 3 doses for each patient. We found that 10 out of the 15 patients have shown reversal of disability to some extent, which is very exciting. Our primary goal in the study was to establish safety and tolerability of our approach, and I'm happy to report that that was attained and no serious adverse effects have been noted. In fact, the FDA in their review have suggested that we continue with the study and go on to a phase 2 efficacy study. One of the concerns in this study is that it's an open label trial, so it's not double blinded. So the improvement may be, some may argue about it, but we've noticed significant changes in walking speed, bladder function, and in patients who are using devices to walk like canes and walkers now able to ambulate without the use of these devices. So I feel that we weren't looking for efficacy, but we've seen it, and so we are now going to proceed hopefully to a phase 2 study later this year with another center, and it'll be double-blinded and placebo-controlled so that we can establish efficacy and provide hope for patients who have this form of MS for which there are no other alternative therapies available at present.